Now, today we will discuss about this type of the patterns. This is a triangle shape, but the pattern is a different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it will be the decrease the 2 digits from the right side. So how we will make the program for that? First of all, we will see the how many columns. These are the columns. You will see the columns, and these are the rows. You will see how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means outer loop will move the 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and the inner loop will move the first is how much time? 7 times, then 4 times, so 5 times, then 3 times, and then 1 times. So for the rows, we have to use the loop. First of all, we will define the variables integer I and j. I for the we are using for the external loop, and j we are using for the internal. Okay. Now the I is equal to 7. The value of the I is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the value of the I is less than equal to 1. And number of the iteration is the 2. Minus 2, decreasing. I minus 2. Now in the inner loop, the j is equal to 1 and the value of the j is less than equal to I. Less than equal to I. So how it will move? Then after that it will print the value of the j only. So in the first row you will see the value of the I is 7 and I is less than equal to 1, it is 2. Now condition is satisfied. I is equal to 1, sorry, j is equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I. Means the value of the j is less than equal to I. It should be less than. Then j plus plus. Then the value of the j will be increased. Like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. Then if the condition is satisfied, so then it will print the value of the j. Okay? Okay? So then it will print the value of the j. J plus and double quotes. Means this value will print in a same line. If we will use here system dot out dot print ln for the next line. So then this outer loop after the condition is satisfied, so then it will come this row and then it will change the next row. Printing will come in next row. So first row is complete. It will print the first row. Now the second row. Now the value of the I is how much? I is 7, but how much time iteration will be decreased? 2. It means 7 minus 2. It means how much? 5. Now we will check. Now the value of the I is 7. Oh, sorry, 5. J is equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I. Now condition is satisfied. Then it will print the value of the j. Now the value of the j in first iteration 1. Now in the second generation, in the second iterations of the value of the j will be increased. So next digit, then it will check the condition is j is the value of the i's inside means 5. So next value will be 2. Then it will print. Then after that it will go and check the value of the I is 5 under the 5. So then it will check the j is equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I. Clear? Means next iteration will start. So now the value of the j will be print 4. Condition is satisfied. Then again it will take the iteration only inner loop inside the outer loop. Now the value of the j will be increased how much? 5. Now it will check if the value is j is less than equal to I. The value of the I is 5. So then it will not print. Then it will come the system.out.println. Then it will come the next line. And then again it will come the outer loop. Now the outer loop value how much? 5 minus 2 how much? 3. So then iteration will be 3 times. Now it will check the value of the I is 3 and the value of the j is 1 and j is less than equal to I, and means the inner loop will be check the condition it is satisfied within the outer loop. So then it will print the value of the j. Next it will print the value of the j is next is 1, and then again it will move. So then it will increase the value of the j 2, then again it will be iterated, then 3. Now in the last you see according to this question, now the value of the I is how much? 3 minus 2, 1. Now the value of the 1, j is equal to 1, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 and the j is less than equal to 1. Both are the satisfied. Okay. Now it will check again if the value of the I will be 2. So then program will be stopped and then it will come back next. I think you have understand well this program of the patterns. You can make the more programs by seeing this logic. Okay, thank you.